All right, so the following system of equations is graphed below. I have y equals x plus 7, and then y equals negative 5/3 x minus 1. And it asks to find the solution to the system. The solution to the system, the solution is where the two lines intersect. Think of the word intersect like an intersection, like of two streets. You know, where you get in the stoplight and we all have to decide who got there first or whatever. So wherever the coordinates of this intersection is the solution of the system. So what are the coordinates of the system or the intersection? Right, remember we go x and then y. So we go -3 and then up 4. So the intersection is at -3, 4. Where x is -3 and y is 4. What answer choice is that? A. Everybody follow? Yes? Okay. Number 2. The following system of equations is graphed below. Y equals -7 halves x plus 3/2. Y equals 1/4 x minus 9/4. Find the solution to the system. Again, the solution is where the two lines intersect. I go right 1, so that's x equals 1. And then I go down 4, down 2. So that's y equals -2. What's your answer? D. Are we okay there? Okay. Let's look at number 3. The following system of equations is graphed below. Y equals -2x minus 7. Y equals x plus 5. Find the solution to the system. So remember, the solution is where the 2 points intersect. We go x first, so x is -4. Then you go up 1, so y would equal 1. What's your answer? B. Number 4 is kind of weird because part of it's on the first page and then the rest of it's on the back. I'm sorry, I copied it weird. It says Ron wants to deliver a package to his friend. He is considering 2 courier services to do the job. The first courier service is charging a flat fee of $15 plus $3 per pound of the package's weight. So you see the flat fee of $15, that's my y-intercept. You know how we say that fee is a one-time value, one-time charge, so we know that fee, y-intercept. $3 per pound per, it's a repeating value, my slope is 3. The second courier service is charging a flat fee, there's that word again, $25 and $2 per pound, it's a repeating value, so your slope is 2x of the package's weight. The cost of the 2 courier services are shown in the graph below. The graph below is actually on the back of the page. What must the package weigh for the cost of the 2 courier services to be the same? So it would be where they intersect, and I know it's kind of difficult to see because of the copy, but it would be on, if you're doing this on your Chromebook, you'd be able to zoom in. But that looks to be about 10, where that intersection is. Do you all agree? Any questions so far? All right. Number 5. Dean is a certified personal trainer, and before taking on new clients, he wants to finalize his pricing plans. One plan is to charge $10 for the initial consultation and then $45 per session. Another plan is to charge $30 for the consultation and then $35 per session. The cost of the 2 plans are shown in the graph below on the next page. Okay, so if you go to your next page, that actually has the graph of the plans. So the solid line is plan number 1, which was y equals 45x plus 10. And plan number 2 was y equals 35x plus 30. I just like to write those so I have all the information on the same page. How many sessions must be booked for the cost of the 2 plans to be the same? Okay. So, what do you do here? Where they intersect is where it would be. But what if you can't tell? You see, this is kind of difficult for us to tell, right? So what can we do to figure out another way to get our answer? How can we put this in the calculator to figure it out? We can use mini 3-1, right? It says how many sessions must be booked for the cost of the 2 plans to be the same. So what we can do is we can set them equal to each other. 45x plus 10 equals 35x plus 30, comma, x. And solve. I just wanted hold on. Y'all know I'm gonna get one of these old calculators, or a calculator that hasn't been cleaned. Okay, so I hit me 3-1, and then I put 45x plus 10 equals 35x plus 30, comma, x. Enter. X equals 2. Okay? Well. And real quickly, I want to go back to our previous problem. Number 4, where it was talking about the couriers. And it had y equals 3x plus 15. And then 2x plus 25. Because that was also kind of difficult to see. And I want to demonstrate that if it's difficult to see, I want to give you, make sure you know the calculator method so that you don't have to feel uncomfortable, that you can have a concrete way of figuring it out. So menu 3-1, and just put that in your calculator. 3x plus 15 equals 2x plus 25, comma, x equals, and x does indeed equal 10. So you don't have to trust me to eyeball it. You can be confident that we can actually get the correct answer. Are y'all comfortable with this? All right. Stop recording real quick.